Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to use quick measure feature in Power BI. So for this, we'll go on the canvas of Power BI. You can activate the quick measure from here. So the option will appear here. Now click on this drop down menu. You can generate aggregate per category. You can generate the filters, time intelligence, totals. So let's activate the average per category. Now in this, we'll have to specify the base value. So let's pick up the sales. From here and drop it here. In category, we'll pick up the subcategory and drop it here. A new measure will be generated with the name average per category as soon as I commit it. Add. So it will generate the syntax. Press cross. You can see on the right hand side, the measure is ready. Now activate the number card from here. Drag and drop this new measure on this number card. So it gives me sales average per subcategory. This is aggregate. Now you go in column chart. We'll have to specify x-axis. So in x-axis, we'll pick up the subcategory. And on y-axis, let's pick up the sales average subcategory, the new quick measure which has been generated. Done. So now it gives me sales average per subcategory. You can see here, just hover your mouse on any bar. Now in this legend, you can also include the segments. This column bar chart can be further bifurcated according to the region. Pick up the region, drop it into small multiples. Done. So now it gives me sales average per subcategory for each region, subcategory copiers, and the segment consumer. So this was all about quick measure in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.